How to set a timer in the YouTube app. So let's say you're watching a video and you only want to watch a certain amount of time, or if you have kids that are watching a video but you want the app to turn off at a certain time, you can do that in the YouTube app. So go to YouTube and go to pick any video that you want. I already have one loaded up here. So once you have the video playing, you can hit the gear icon at the top right hand corner here, and then go down to where it says more, and then you'll go down to where it says sleep timer. So you can actually set a timer anywhere from 10 minutes all the way to the end of the video, no matter how long the video is, and YouTube will automatically stop playing that video within that time frame. So it's very helpful for people that don't want to watch a whole video, or if you're trying to censor a certain amount of time for certain things or different types of videos. And that's it. That's how you would go about setting a timer in the YouTube app.